Last year in July, we got the CMF Phone 1, which was the first smartphone by Nothing's sub-brand. It was a pretty good offering by the company as the phone had a unique design which included a swappable back panel and also support from some accessories that you could attach on the back. The brand is going to launch its second smartphone on the 28th of April, and this phone is named the CMF Phone 2 Pro. Now there is no information on the CMF Phone 2, so it may or may not launch at the same event. As for the CMF Phone 2 Pro, the company has officially shared some details already, and today we got to know the camera specifications of the phone. And it looks like the CMF Phone 2 Pro is going to have the perfect camera setup in its segment. Let us first talk about the design because we already know how the phone looks like. As we can see, the camera setup on the back now has 3 sensors placed in the top left corner. The phone still has those screws on the back, which means the back is still swappable on the Phone 2 Pro. On the front, the phone has a flat display and nothing also says that the phone is slim and lightweight. As for the camera specifications, the CMF Phone 2 Pro has 3 rear cameras. The primary camera has a 1/1.57 inch 50 megapixel sensor, and the company says this is the largest sensor in its price segment. There is no mention of OIS for the primary camera, so it is hard to say whether the phone has OIS or not. The second camera is for ultra-wide photos and it has an 8 megapixel sensor. Finally, the phone has a third telephoto camera, which is quite rare in this price segment. This telephoto camera has a 50 megapixel sensor and there is a 2x optical zoom. Nothing says that CMF Phone 2 Pro is the first phone in its segment with a telephoto camera. So based on these camera specifications, it is not surprising to see Nothing claiming the CMF Phone 2 Pro to have the best triple camera setup in its segment. As for the other specifications, the CMF Phone 2 Pro has the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro chipset versus the Dimensity 7300 in the CMF Phone 1. In terms of performance improvements, Nothing claims that compared to the CMF Phone 1, the CPU performance has improved by up to 10%, while the GPU performance has improved by up to 5%. Now these are not big numbers, so the Dimensity 7300 Pro is not that big of an upgrade over the Dimensity 7300. Nothing also claims that this phone offers the segment's best gaming experience and you can play BGMI at 120 FPS, and there is also a 1000 Hz touch sampling rate. The rest of the specifications are not yet official, but as per leaks, there is a 5000 mAh battery and a 120 Hz flat OLED display on the front. So based on these specifications, what do you think the price of CMF Phone 2 Pro should be? Do let me know your opinions in the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.